It's actually not true that Florence Nightingale owned over 60 cats in her lifetime. There is no credible evidence to support this claim. However, I can create a fictional sentence for you here. It is as she strolled through the manicured gardens of her country estate surrounded by the soft rustling of the sward beneath her feet, Florence Nightingale couldn't help but be reminded of the dozens of feline friends that had brought her such joy and comfort throughout her life. In this sentence, sward refers to a type of lawn or grassy area often characterized by its evenness and smoothness.